Hi, my name is Obelia McCormack and I'm a travel photography app founder. I'm in a fairly unique position in that I have developed my app twice, the first time using an Australian developer and the second time using Technostacks. The reason I chose an Australian developer initially is that I wanted to have a face-to-face relationship with my developers, and I wanted to be able to trust that my IP was protected and that the data security of my users was going to be protected. The Australian developers that I chose initially had a great quote. They intended to finish in 6 months, and that blew out to about 2 years. The app that the Australian developers provided me came in at about 2/3 of the intended functionality and ended up having been built on a code base that was at end of life, so it was going to need to be rebuilt at the end of the 2 years of development. So it was a completely pointless endeavour. I found Technostacks online and made contact. They provided me with an Australian reference who I called and had a chat with, and they had nothing but good things to say about Technostacks and the team. So I've started working with them. It has been probably 9 months of development, and they have produced, at a fraction of the cost of the original app, they've produced all of the functionality that I initially wanted plus some. So I'm really happy with the team. I'm happy with the code base. I'm happy with the functionality. It seems to be much less problematic and much less buggy than the original app that seemed to break every 2 weeks. I'd highly recommend reaching out to Technostacks if you're looking for an app developer. They are very skilled. They've upheld my user interface designs brilliantly, and they've upheld my user experience ideals. The team have been respectful, responsive. They've found solutions where I didn't have existing solutions. They've found less expensive alternatives to the ones that I was initially provided with, so that my budget was adhered to. I have no complaints at all. They've provided me with the app that I wanted, and it's bug-free, it's online and for sale now, and I couldn't be happier. So reach out and talk to Hansel or anybody at the team at the Technostacks. They're just a brilliant team to work with.